You like the go-kart?
Yeah.
By yourself?
Yeah, by yourself.
But you gotta make it watch the noise.
It really don't matter out here. It don't matter out here.
Yeah, I don't want the go-kart.
You do or you don't.
I did.
Go in the house and tell Annie give you the truck key. Yeah, it's on the keypad in my room. On that long keypad in the room. And let know which one it is.
Okay.
The truck key. Is it slipping, Kevin? You got to push up on it. Once you put it on there, you got to push it up. You got to come off in one way or another. The only thing to do is then lock these on.
Daddy,
Huh?
my mom said her don't know where
They in the room hanging up right side the light in my room. Tell her give it to you in my room. It ain't doing nothing, Kevin.
No.
Alright. You got to lock these on there good. You should put them like that way. You're going to have to adjust them where you want them at. Turn them like that. Yeah, that way. So you're going to be pulling up. Will it go? Yeah. You can't don't push them too far in there so they'll hit the frame when you try to come up. You got to adjust it where you want them at. Make it good and tight. Real tight. So you barely can squeeze it together. No, it's too easy.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. Yeah, those, yeah. No, you ain't gonna be able to try that right there, see what you got. That's probably ain't good enough to try it. No, it's slipping. You gotta tighten up more than that. You gotta tighten that bit up. Good. Next time I gotta put them tight in this mark. Every one of them came loose. They didn't come loose, but next time I gotta put them tight in this. Every one of them came loose. How you coming, Kevin?
Yeah, trying to.
You got it loose?
Yeah, my car is out. My car is new. I took all four of mine. hurry up.
Hurry up.
I can want to go kart.
But what you think I'm trying to get?
Hurry up, I can want to go kart. Okay, baby. Hurry up, baby.
Yes, Stephanie?
Yeah.